Hello students, this video will show you how to use our school databases for your research project. So starting from the Goleta Valley Junior High website, press Academics and Library. And then from this library page, go to our library portal. Just press the picture of the books that say read or press the link. And if you are in Safari, you should add this page to the home screen of your iPad if you haven't done so already. So to add to your home screen, you press the square arrow and you down here in these icons, these gray icons, you press add to home screen and then just press add so that you will have a little web clip right here of the Goleta Valley Junior High School Library portal. All right, so today you're going to learn how to use databases for your research project, and this is for a particular project on religions. So click on the tab that says Class Projects, and then click on the name of your project, which is Comparative Religions. And here's everything you need in regard to digital resources for your project. And remember, we're not doing a web search, so you can use any of these databases or ebooks, or you can use the websites. This page you can access by just going to the short link if you don't want to start at our GV homepage, so bit.ly/compare-religion. And if you want, you can also add this page to your home screen if you're going to be doing extensive research. So just press the square arrow and add to home screen and add. All right, so now let's get to using the databases. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to choose from here. I'm just going to show you really quickly how to use a couple of them. So the one a lot of people like for this project is called ABC Clio World Religions. So click on that title. And if you are at home, you will have to type in a password. So it's Mariners is the username, and then Mariners is also the password. Okay, and from here, you can press See All Religions and choose the religion that you're researching. So I'm choosing Shinto as an example. And then I have these options, Shinto, Sect Shinto, and Shrine Shinto. I'm just going to choose Shinto overall. And then you can see I have a nice article right here about the religion. I want to point out that this is your citation. If you need to create a bibliography or works cited, you can just copy from the bottom. I also want to point out that you can save the article. At the upper right, you can press save. And then you can log in with your school Google Drive to save the article to your drive. So that is the ABC Clio option. Let me go back to our projects page. And we also have Britannica. So let's try that one. Click on Britannica. And when you get here, if you're logging in from home, notice that there is a username and password right here, but if you're at school, you'll just be logged right in. And we are at Britannica School Middle for junior high school students. And just up here in the search, type in the topic you're searching. So in my case, I'm going to put Shinto and press return. And now I have a few different articles. I'm just going to pick this top hit called Shinto Religion. And there are a couple cool things about Britannica. You can choose your reading level. So 1 is the easiest reading level, 2 is medium, and 3 is the hardest reading level. So that's up to you. You have subtopics on the side. So let's say you want to look at ritual practices and institutions. You could click on that and you'll see it'll go right to that part of the article. You can cite your source by pressing, let me get back to the top here. This checkbox at the top has the citation. If you need to create a works cited, you can just copy this whole thing right there. Also, if you want to save it, you can press the star and it will tell you to log in. and then sign in with your school Google account, and you can save that article in Britannica. Let me show you one more database. So I'm going back to the projects page, and this one, Kids Infobits, is a little easier than some of the other databases, probably comparable to level 1 on Britannica. So if you go to Kids Infobits, you would just in the search field type in your topic. And then in Kids Infobits, you get a whole bunch of sources in a list. And for this project, I would recommend the books at the top. And we have 2 encyclopedias, the Columbia Electronic Encyclopedia or the Britannica Student Encyclopedia, which might be very similar to what we just looked at Britannica. So I'm just going to click the top one that says Shinto, the Columbia Electronic Encyclopedia. And I have a nice article here. You can just kind of scroll down to see the whole article. The citation is at the bottom, so you want to copy what's in green here if you're making a works cited. And like the other databases, you can sign in with Google. See at the top, sign in with Google. And you would sign in with your school Google account. And then you can send the article to your Google Drive if you want to save it there. And that's on the right side. I'm going to press send to Google Drive. And I would already be signed in, or I can sign in again right here, and that article will be saved to my Google Drive. All right, so let me go back to the projects page. You can see we have a couple more databases and an ebook where it says need more, try. You're welcome to try those. And then there are some websites on the right-hand side which will have some information for your project as well. All right, if you have any questions, please see me, Miss McMillan, in the library. Thanks for watching.